Have you ever felt like you just don't quite fit in? Have you ever found yourself using words that others struggle to grasp? Welcome to the world of the personality type, where deep empathy flows, intuition serves as a guiding light, and compassion shapes every interaction. However, with profound depth also comes challenges. Today, let's delve into the realm of the personality by examining the 5 types of individuals who often leave INFJs puzzled, prompting them to question how can we bridge this gap. Prepare to uncover the enigmas of the INFJ psyche as we navigate through the personalities they find difficult to connect with. Type 1. The Closed-Minded Skeptic. Minded skeptics act as obstacles for INFJs, hindering their desire for conversations and open-mindedness. These skeptics are resistant to ideas. Dismiss the perspectives of INFJs without giving them a fair chance. Imagine sharing an idea only to be met with skepticism and condescending comments from someone to consider different viewpoints. This clash can be frustrating and disheartening for INFJs who value discussions and mutual understanding. Minded skeptics impede the exchange of ideas that INFJs cherish, as they hold on tightly to their beliefs, leaving INFJs feeling unappreciated and silenced. Type 2. The Surface-Level Small Talker. INFJs seek connections. In a world where conversations often skim the surface, they yearn for discussions that touch on the essence of being human, find themselves surrounded by talk that feels superficial and distant. Engaging in topics like the weather or gossip can leave INFJs feeling out of place and disconnected. Picture yourself at a gathering, where casual chatter dominates the scene while you crave dialogues. This contrast between talk and a deeper desire for connection can make it challenging for INFJs to bridge the gap with others who prioritize lighthearted conversations. The clash between the INFJ's quest for depth and the talker's preference for surface-level interactions creates a barrier to forming bonds. Despite efforts to steer discussions towards subjects, reluctance from those focused on light conversation can lead to feelings of isolation and a longing for authentic connections. Type 3. The Overly Critical Perfectionist. INFJs, known for their dedication to excellence, often find themselves being their critics. However, dealing with individuals who are excessively critical and obsessed with perfection can be incredibly taxing for them. These people meticulously examine every aspect, leaving INFJs feeling exhausted and disheartened. Imagine investing your all into a project only to have it picked apart and criticized endlessly. For INFJs, who are already committed to achieving perfection, this constant evaluation can be overwhelming. Whether it occurs in a setting or personal relationships, the INFJ's sensitivity to criticism makes interactions with critical perfectionists particularly difficult. Despite their efforts, INFJs struggle to meet the standards set by these perfectionists. Every misstep is amplified, shaking the INFJ's self-assurance and making them yearn for acceptance and empathy. Type 4. The Manipulative Narcissist. INFJ's compassionate nature can sometimes make them vulnerable to being manipulated by individuals with tendencies. These narcissists take advantage of INFJ's kindness for their purposes, using charm and deception to exert influence over them. Picture a scenario where a narcissist feigns vulnerability to sympathy only to later reveal their manipulative motives. INFJs often find themselves prioritizing the needs of the narcissist over their well-being, catering to their desire for validation and control. Engaging with narcissists can have an impact on the mental and emotional well-being of INFJs. They might experience feelings of guilt, shame, and uncertainty as they navigate through the web of manipulation. It is essential for INFJs to identify and shield themselves from individuals in order to safeguard their health and happiness. Type 5. The Conflict-Seeking Drama Queen/King. INFJs tend to steer conflicts and value harmony, which can make it challenging for them to handle individuals who thrive on chaos and drama. These disruptive individuals disrupt the atmosphere that INFJs hold dear, leaving them feeling overwhelmed and emotionally drained. Imagine a scenario where tensions escalate due to the actions of someone who enjoys creating drama. INFJs, who strive for interactions, find themselves struggling to navigate through the turmoil. Despite their attempts to resolve conflicts peacefully, they often find themselves caught in an ending cycle of drama. Whether it's in settings, social circles, or within their own families, INFJs often find themselves embroiled in dramatic situations, yearning for the peace and tranquility they seek. The presence of those drawn to conflict disrupts their sense of calmness, leading to feelings of stress and fatigue. We've examined the 5 challenging types of individuals for INFJs: closed-minded skeptics, surface-level small talkers, overly critical perfectionists, manipulative narcissists, and conflict-seeking drama queens/kings. Understanding these dynamics is vital for fostering mutual respect. Remember to share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more insights into personality types and self-awareness. Thanks for watching, and until next time,